Hiya, this is Adam from AM Web Design and Digital Marketing, generating more leads, more clients and more profits for your business online. What I'm going to be doing in this video, I'm going to teach you and show you how to create a tow truck and recovery website within under 5 minutes. Okay, so if that sounds like something you want to know and are interested in, then make sure you watch to the end of the video. Okay, and welcome back. So what we're going to be doing in this one, the example I'm using is a tow truck website or recovery website. It's up to you. You can go in, you can completely change it. It's very, very easy, and I'm going to show you how to make those changes and amendments so you can turn this website into whatever it is that you want it to do. Okay, so I'll give you a quick run through of the actual website itself. So here's the website. It's nice and basic and does what it's supposed to do, which is turn visitors to your business into clients. Okay, this is designed for emergency services, in particular this one. So a call for 24/7 immediate service, and it's got clickable buttons, call to actions, and the areas that you serve. If you've got people who don't want necessarily call you straight away, they can input their details here and then press that, and that will contact them straight away from there. Well, you'll receive an email with their details and you can ring them back. Okay, just covers a bit down in the website of the services. You can come in and change all of this. More call to action, some nice images to make sure that people are happy and satisfied and you're covering everything. A big map of the area you're servicing, down here to another call to action, and then a link to your actual proper brochure website if that's what you're using. If not, you don't need it, you can just completely use this website. That is absolutely fine as well. And many businesses do actually just use these website styles. Okay, so let's go in. This is the back area of the builder. Okay, like I said, you'll get this website completely for free. And there'll just be a link down below. There'll be some additional training and a link so you can actually get a copy of this. But if you want to change like the background image, so if you're doing a different business, you would literally come across, click, upload a new image, click add image, and that will appear in your area here and replace this picture. Okay, change your text, literally come in, see where that is. You can literally just type in your brand new number, your telephone number there to make it clickable, and change the colour. That's it, if you want to change the colour. With the button, just click on it, it'll open it up, set action, and it's going to do that from a mobile phone. As soon as they press that button, it will call directly from their mobile phone. It'll open everything up. Again, here, have a tow truck contact me. They input their details, click on there, and you'll receive an email, and it will take them straight through to, oops, not from that one, from here, straight through to help is on the way, and then again, your number and your details just there. Back into the editor, you can come through, add and amend your things, take away pictures, do what you want there. Add your images there, or sorry, add your phone number. Just click on it, add phone numbers here, change the map. It's just an image, or you can do a map embed if you've got an area that you work in. Okay, here we go, number again, click on here to have them contact me immediately. And here you can either have a link back into this website itself or out to your main website if you have a much larger sort of brochure orientated website. Okay, so that's it, nice, easy, and literally for you to get online and be creating great looking websites. This is obviously a very simple one, so, you know, but you can create anything you want in here. But this website is designed specifically to turn paying customers or people who are contacting you looking for your services into paying customers. Okay, so it's perfect for emergency call out, electricians, recovery vehicles, roofers, plumbers, anything like that. If you offer a call out service when somebody needs you quickly, they don't want to be landing on a great big website where they've got to trawl through all the pages, find your contact details, type it into their phone and go through all that hassle. It's not something they're going to do. They'll just leave your website and they'll go elsewhere. This is designed specifically to turn visitors into paying customers. They're stuck at the side of the road. They click onto your website via their mobile phone, and the first thing they will see is press to call now. They press that, and it loads up your number straight into their phone so they can call you. Okay, and that's you on with a client straight away. Okay, so if you want this for free, you can have it and you can take it away. You can do what you want with it. It's growing all the time as I'm putting more and more web pages into it, and you can go in, you can change it, you can do whatever you want to it. Okay, so the link will be down below in the description. There's also a training area I've set up, so if you're not too sure, join the training area. That's completely free, and then I will take you step by step making all these changes and doing everything that you want to do. Okay, so if you have any questions, just give us a call, subscribe, leave a comment below, and just speak to me, and I'll be there to have a chat and help you out with your business. Okay, and I'll speak to you later.